Let's take a look at Polkadot. Last time we looked at DOT was on October the 19th. Here is a recap. Based on what we see how Polkadot behaved in the past, it's very likely that it would consolidate and retest the support of this upward channel at around 47, then bounce up again and eventually reach our target of 58 as part of the breakout of this cup and handle. Fast forward, this is the daily chart for Polkadot, and the data I have is to 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on November the 24th. Last time when we looked at Polkadot was on October the 19th, right at this point. At that time, we predicted that Polkadot would likely continue to trend up following this upward channel and eventually reach our target price of about $58 as part of the breakout of this cup and handle. Polkadot continued to ride this 10 days moving average, trended upward, and eventually reached 56.12. But the minute it tested the resistance of this upward channel, it's pretty much ran out of steam and started this retracement. One of the things is when we look at the way Polkadot has been behaving, every time when it tested the resistance, it retraced. And the minute it tested support, it bounced right back up and continued this upward trend again. However, what we're seeing here is a little bit different, which is a cause for concern, because the minute when it tested the support, the price pretty much broke down. And right now, Polkadot is officially broke down and dropped below this upward channel. Currently, Polkadot is trading at around 38.75, which looks like it may find support at this prior high. If we draw this trend line, you can see Polkadot had very much been stabilizing around this range. Normally, when I see very strong support, then there is a possible indications that this could be the bottom for this retracement, and Polkadot would likely begin to trend upward. However, right now the 10 days moving average dropped below the white line, which is the 50 days, and this is a very bearish signal. Another thing to observe is, let me zoom in. After Polkadot dropped below this 10 days moving average, since then it has not been able to reclaim the 10 day, continue to trail the 10 days, and then drop below the white line, which is the 50 days. Then about 4 days ago, we saw this spike up where Polkadot briefly crossed over both the 10 day and then the 50 day, but then it get rejected right away and closed the day below the 10 days as well as the 50 days. And for the past 3 days, every time when the price run up, the minute it tested this red line, the 10 days moving average, it get rejected, rejected. So this is an indication that there is a very high probability that the price could break down from this support. And if that is the case, then we're looking at the potential for Polkadot break down and retest this trend line, which is the top of this cup and handle. We are looking at around the 30 range. A breakdown from this point, then we're looking at the possibility for Polkadot to retest this yellow line, which is a 200 days moving average, below the $30 range. I hope that is not going to be the case. Hopefully, there would be enough buying support at this level to prevent the price from breaking down. Looking at the stochastic oscillator, Polkadot is definitely entering this oversold territory. So I do expect to see some sort of buying support at this level. There is a chance that we could see the price rebound and may briefly cross over the 10 days. But I don't believe the way Polkadot is right now that it could mount enough buying support and cross over the white line, which is the 50 days moving average. A rejection at either the 10 day or the 50 days, then we're looking at Polkadot eventually trading at about $30. In summary, Polkadot has been trending up from about $10 all the way to 56. Now it is going through this retracement and consolidations. So in the near term, we could potentially see the price retrace to as low as $30. But Polkadot is a great project. Retracement is just a great opportunity to accumulate more Polkadot. And another thing is, if you buy Polkadot using VOYAGER, you get 12% interest for practically doing nothing. So that's what I like about Polkadot. My target to accumulate Polkadot is at $35. So I will wait to see whether or not the price retraces to my target price and begin to accumulate at that price range. That's it for this video, and don't forget to click that like button and reward me with a like if you appreciate the content that I'm presenting. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and subscribe, and make sure you turn notification on. And if you have Twitter, make sure you follow me at VidMaxim, because I provide constant update on all of our favorite cryptos.